I'm Barry Abraham. This 3-minute lesson is about dynamic ad targets and exclusions in Google AdWords. I'm going to explain what dynamic ad targets are, the 5 types of ad targets you can use, and exclusions that you can define. Dynamic ad targets are the basis of dynamic search campaigns in Google AdWords. Dynamic search campaigns are a time-saving feature that allows both the targeting and the ad creation to be automated for large numbers of products or services offered on your website. For this to be possible and beneficial, you'll want to have a strategy for organizing your product targets. Here's an example. Let's say your website has 1,000 different products for sale. Since your website's been established for a while, you know that Google has frequently crawled your site and indexed your pages. You then have the ability to use each of those pages as a product target for dynamic search ads. But rather than bucket them all into one category, you can group them in a way that makes sense for your business. Perhaps there's a group that you don't want to appear at all in dynamic search ads. And perhaps there's a group for which you'd like to bid more aggressively. Here are the 5 types of dynamic ad targets you can use to refine how your ads are shown. All web pages. This will make every single page in your website's domain eligible for auto targets and dynamic search ads. Categories. By using Google's organic search index, AdWords will automatically group your content into themes and create categories for each theme. URLs. Pages with URLs containing certain strings of text that you specify. For example, let's say you want to target all web pages that have the word holiday in the URL. Page title. The page title is the words that appear in the browser tab of a web page. For auto targets, you can target pages that have certain words in the page title. Page content. You can target all the pages that contain a certain word in the web page content. For example, all web pages that have the word spring sale. Keep in mind that you can and should also use auto-target exclusions. For example, you might set an exclusion for all pages that have the words out of stock. The best strategy is usually to create normal, not dynamic campaigns for the most lucrative products on your site, and then use dynamic search ads for everything else. With this strategy, you might want to set auto-target exclusions for the products in the manually set up normal campaigns.